Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades today. First up, we have NYCB. NYCB, I noticed, was setting up on the 15-minute chart, and it started putting in a level at 9:30 here at 10:18. And you can see it touched the level again here at the 10 a.m. candle. And this 11:30 a.m. candle, it actually broke through. I wasn't able to get an entry in this candle. Actually, the first time I tried to enter this trade, I got a error message on the platform not being able to get a valid price. It didn't break down. It pulled back just a little bit, and I was able to take an entry in this 11:45 a.m. candle. I got a split entry in between 17 and 18. I just called it a 17. I put my stop here at 20, and I was able to take a 2-to-1 down here at 11. The ticker only made it down here to 10. I got a split fill down here. And then this pink line is my VWAP standard deviation. It did a double bottom off of that, came back up, and got out at the break even again, split with my order here. Next up, we have UNVR. UNVR I saw setting up here in this 11:30 candle at this 1796 level. It put in a level here at 11:30, again here at 11:45, and it actually broke through here at this 12 p.m. candle. I was able to get an entry here, and I was uncomfortable with the price action. It was not moving very well. It was moving pretty erratically. It would make pretty big jumps in this area, so I didn't really like that. When it happened, I actually brought my stop back to break even to see if this 1796 level would hold. And actually, the price spiked down here and took out about maybe 2/3 to 3/4 of my shares. But this level looked like it may hold, so I actually entered the rest of the position back in. And then you see in this next candle, it took another spike down, and it clearly broke this level here at 1796, so I got out. But if we keep looking, it actually made the move here, and you can see it trended upwards in between this 9 EMA here on the 15 and the VWAP standard deviation here. And last up, we have CHNG. CHNG, I saw setting up on the 15-minute. It was putting in a level here at 1079. It put in the level here on the 12 p.m. candle, again at the 12:15 candle, and it actually touched the third touch and broke through here at this 12:30 candle. Got some pullback here, and actually here there was actually a point of control that was here on the 15 that shifted to this 1120 level here, but you can see it's still holding on the 30-minute. So when it pulled back to this point of control, actually the point of control was down here where you see this larger volume by price bar. When I entered, it pulled back and took a bounce off of the point of control that was here. Once I saw that, I felt pretty confident about it, so I added more here. I had a 10-cent stop when I entered at the 12:30 here in this 12:45 candle. I actually tightened my stop to 5 cents once I added, and then took a partial here at this brought my average to 1077. Took a partial here at 87 since I had a 5-cent stop, 10 cents at 2-to-1, and I think this is about like 13 or 14 cents. I caught a pop over 11, 11.10 up here, 11.20. I caught an 11.30. I was looking for an 11.40 up here, but it only got up to 11.38.5, and then you can see here at the end of the day it formed a level right here at 11.35 that it just wasn't able to break back through, and then as it lost this point of control, this new point of control here on the 15, made my exit here at the end of the day. Thank you for checking out my trades. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to leave them in the section below. Hope everybody had a great day and happy trading.